Whenever we think of pesto, we just think of pasta, and there's so much more to pesto. Pesto makes a brilliant dressing for salads, and it makes an even better marinade, especially when you get a clever pesto like this Filippo Berio char-grilled pepper version. All I'm going to do is make a marinade for chicken with this, lightly fried, and serve it with a green salad. Very simple start. You get the pesto itself, and already the smell of the roasted peppers is coming out, sweet and tangy. I'm gonna go 2-3 big heaped teaspoons of it. That way I'm gonna get lots of flavor. A really good thing to add to any marinade is lemon juice or lime juice, because what that does is it starts to kind of break down the chicken and tenderize it. So those flavors from that pesto can get in very quickly. Juice of half a lemon. Now we add a little bit of salt into that marinade. And to make sure this turns into a really good emulsion, because when you use pesto like this, it becomes like a kind of moisturizer for the meat, I'm gonna add a good glug of this mild and light olive oil that Filippo Berio do. This is great for marinades, it's great for cooking. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of oomph to this dish, and that's with a few dried chili flakes. So look at the colors in this bowl already, absolutely stunning. And now we're ready for our chicken fillets. I've just cut these breasts really thin because I want them to cook very quickly. The oil and the lemon and the salt and the pesto are all getting to work already on this chicken, so it's already full of flavor. I'm just going to cook these for a few minutes on a medium heat until they're done through. It's a really, really quick supper. So we're ready for the pan. Let's pop those in, and they're going to cook very quickly. Now the smells coming out of that pan are fantastic. I'm getting that roasted pepper, feels like it's roasting all over again. So we're going to get on with making a really simple salad with a really simple but very classic dressing. And that is going to start with very good olive oil. So you use extra virgin olive oil. Filippo Berio's is fantastic for this. Let's add to that a bit of zing, Filippo Berio's white wine vinegar, and a little pinch of salt. And then we just mix those ingredients together, and then in with my leaves. Very simple, very light. Right, they're beginning to brown, so we flip them over, and they are minutes away from being ready. The smells are fantastic. Colour on these chicken breasts is really important, so be patient and keep the heat up. Gorgeous chicken. And a stunning light classic salad to go with it. And there we go, my zingy pesto chicken and a classic green salad.